I'm Matt Harris from 40 Cal Customs. We're here at SEMA 2015 inside the Red Cap booth where we're putting together our latest build out of the shop, the Red Cap Rocket. It's a tough little rigid frame shovel head drag bike, sort of dragster chopper sort of deal, kind of throwback to the 70s, little funny car dragster action. We're running Springer front end, but we've got on the front here, we've got a 10-spoke wheel from Rick Bray Customs, running a Firestone front runner on it. And then kind of cool thing is we're running a shovel engine, and the shovel engine is also a 93-inch stroker motor, so a little bit of hot rod stuff going on there. And then out back, to kind of keep along with the hot rod deal, we're running one of the Rocket Mag wheels and an M&H Racemaster tire on it. So kind of throwback to the 70s, a little bit of hot rod drag racing look, and go fast and have fun.
And you got to have it done this week.
And we got to have this thing done by Friday afternoon.